So you want to learn how you can make landing page for Google Ads completely for free in a matter of 5-10 minutes, so you can start making money, let's say with affiliate or with your own product. My name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you the best way how you can actually achieve that. So the first thing that you want to do is click on the link down below in the description when you're going to scroll down, and you will click on it. You'll get right here to System.io. System.io is one of the best tools what I think for creating landing pages, funnels, and email newsletters. So next to the features, I'm going to have pricing, so you can clearly see it's free. And you can have the sales funnels free here, contacts 2000. And to actually use that, what you have to do is just click here start for free. I already have my account, so I'll just click sign in. And then next to the contacts, you're going to find funnels when you're going to create your own account. So I'll click funnels, and here, let's say I'm going to press create. And here you have to have option, right? So let's say that I'm going to offer a work from home offer from ClickBank, and we want to run ads on it. So here I'm going to add a name, a landing page, Google for work from home offer. Or let's say funnel. Then you will have a funnel domain. If you have your own domain, you can choose it here. And then you're going to have option build an audience. So build an audience is really great if you want to get email lists, or you just want to have a button and people are going to click on the button and they will get to the offer. So that's something you can click on. Then you're going to have sell a product or service, custom, or run an evergreen webinar. So if you're going to have product and service, you're going to press sell. So I'm going to build an audience, and then you're going to choose euro here. And I will press create. And now on the left side, if you're gonna get emails, you can easily create a funnel. Then on here, we're gonna choose a landing page that we want. There are like plenty of landing pages that you can actually see and find and then edit all texts. But I'm going to, for this video, I'm going to create a really simple one. So let's say this one here. And I will press select. So you can choose whatever you want landing page. And then squeeze page is going to be landing page Google Ads, or like landing page work from home. And then this is the URL that we're going to use. You can also change the ending. So let's say work home, homework. And then on the right side, we're going to have save funnel step, views funnel step, or edit page. So I'll click edit page here. And we are going to edit a page for our Google Ads landing page. So here what we want to add, and it's pretty straightforward and simple, we can have free book reveals. So we're gonna have make money with ease, and I'm going to have this black. So I'll just edit everything here like this. Then I'm going to choose a color like this one for the money. Okay, and then I'm going to make everything bold. So that's something I can add. I can also change the font size. Okay, and we got it. So on the left side, you can always find elements, and you can add a content box, or you can add whatever you need, wherever you need, right? So on the left side, you're gonna have these media blocks, rows, columns, forms, and you can all add to your landing page. You can play around with it, and then you can find the blocks here when you can have the opt-in forms, features, page boosters, theme presentations, welcome. All of that you can also use if you want to use directly the sections. So now I'm going to change the text here. Best way to earn money from home. And again, I'm going to make this green. And then what I can add is, let's say I'm going to change the picture here to this one. I just uploaded a picture, and let's say I'm going to delete this text here. So I'm going to delete this one. Like this. and then I will just click here and I will move the picture like this, and now we just have to change the button. So I already got prepared offer on ClickBank. So I got like get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. And let's say gravity scored high. Average dollar per conversion also really good. And it's also recurring. So that's like goddamn amazing. And what you want to do is to click promote here when you're gonna get a link. I'll click here to get instant access. And I'm going to open URL, paste the URL, and open in a new window. And now what I will do, I will go to top right, click Save Changes. And then go to back. And I will take the link, I'll paste it in browser, and look at this. Make money with ease, best way to earn money from home. Click here to get instant access. I will move a little bit the picture to the left, but it's okay. And voila. And here we got it. Really simple. In a matter of minutes, you're going to create amazing landing page, and you can create multiple ones of them, right? So let's say that you want to create 15 of them. You can always do System.io for it, completely for free. Of course, if you're going to use more than free, you have to choose a plan, but still, if you know it's going to work, you can test it out for free, and that you're good to go. And then you can create this for whatever you need. So I can come here to System.io, and when I have it, I can, let's say, change the template. So let's say I just deleted everything. And then let's say you want to get leads. You can always do that. Let's say that you want to have a list of products. You can do that too. And we can have, I don't know, thinking right now, like this one. What we can do for you, edit the page again, and then I will just delete this. Our services deleted. Delete also this one. Delete this one. And let's say I'm going to have best products for weight loss, right? And what I can do, I can click blocks here, or you can add a columns. So what I can have is blocks, and find the blocks if I can find any. Opt-in form, that's not what we're looking for. Features, maybe not even features here, but you can use features like these for like products. See the products, and then you would just like add an image right here to the product, and then you go like bam bam bam. Or what you can add is the columns by ourselves. So I'm going to add three-way column here. And now the left side is going to be picture, an image. Then there is going to be a text. And then we're gonna have a button. So, and then I will just need to like edit it. So right now I'm going to have the image size here like this. Then I would have a text about it, best for whatever, and then click here button. And I would like change the button, the colors and everything, so it's looking pretty. And you can easily create like a product text button, and then you're good to go. And that's pretty much how we can easily create a landing page for Google Ads. And let's say I'm going to have affiliate products with ClickBank and offers, and I can add it like this. So that's a way how you can actually do it. Or even a pricing plan. So that's how it's possible to be done. Or even you can use something like this, and you can change the image and have a button right here. So you can always even edit the pre-created, right? So I can come here and add a button. Add a button. and then add a button. I would make it so everything is like this on the same row. I would add a picture, and you can like really play around it, but you need to have pictures on the same line, and then you can like sell products with your landing page like this. So thank you very much guys for watching. Hope you're gonna have a great day, and see ya and goodbye.